Working to grow small accounts without seeing any real progress can narrow you down. If you have tried everything in enough clicks, this might help. I'm sure this strategy finally turning things around for me, and it could do the same for you. So let's start with this, guys, and let's go to the settings. A unique surprise is waiting for you. Watch until the end of the video and you'll be amazing at what is coming your way. For this one, guys, we're gonna use classic candles again, but now ME1 on time frame. Simple indicators, Bollinger Bands, and moving average. Only that. For the first line, we're gonna use 2 simple movements. We're gonna use the black color for the line. For the Bollinger Bands, 22. Okay. Alright. We just gonna select the background. And the second line, it's 5 simple movements and white. So black and white for the lines. Okay. $5 and 1 minute on expiration time. And let's go with that, baby. Okay, guys. I fixed the first good moment. And I enter with that with trade with $5. That's all in my balance. Okay. But first of all, I want to tell you that I have already taken similar method in another video. But this method, it's a little bit different. I think more effective and then the same times different endpoints. But I'm not observing the trend here. I'm not doing that. I'm focused on the crossing line of the moving average with the Bollinger Bands in the right direction. Okay, and as I said at the beginning, this strong and relatively weak signal in this method. And the signal I think a little bit weak, but I don't think that is not effective. And let's wait a little bit. It's 5 seconds to finish that one if you know what is happening right now. And look at this, baby. $9.06. This, guys, is just one strategy that can shift your journeys into market. To go pro matching the most profitable one is crucial. But don't worry, I've prepared two exclusive piece of content that will be video for your growth. Stick with me until the end of the video. And let's go to the second operation.
Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
Okay, guys. I think it's a quite strong signal and I'm trading with. Okay. As you can see, that is an upward trend. But that's alright. There is a high probability the green candles will continue to move in an upward direction on this. And why? Why that is getting and keep with this? This is indicated by the amazing stable candles that form the mountain position, and it is time to go in an upward direction. And at the same time, the moving average lines, the white and black one, cross the green candle along with the Bollinger Bands, guys. The middle line. Okay, you can see that that's clear for you. And I think this makes signal strong and great. Alright, and look at that. I won this trade again, and look at this, $18, guys. That's so amazing. Let's continue with this. Okay, guys, so here, when the moving average and Bollinger line cross the green candle and at the same time, and the candles go in an upward direction. In this case, I entered the trade in the buy position, as I told you in the previous one. When if I have the signal, I will try to look on these indicators, crossing line with the black and white, and pay attention on the Bollinger Bands. According to this method, last attention is paid to the upper and lower lines of the Bollinger Bands. the resistance and support line.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
As the additional signal if you need, and I only use the signals when as told you in the beginning. All the tree line cross in red or green candle, and let's wait a little more for that. 5 seconds, 4, and that's so good, guys. I like so much of this metal. I hope you like it too, guys. $35, that's a good one. Okay. Alright, guys, I think that's the link for this one for pork options is on the description. And you can see this if you are interested for this, alright? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like buttons for the live, for the videos. And I wish you good profits, good operations, and have a good one, guys. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.